Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
But sometimes inxeba libikho buhlungu until ubone lo muntu ophethe umbese, then uqonda uba damn, how can you wena wonke. So as a citizen esupporta i-March and March movement, vele uyafika kuma-socials ama-negative comments afladile kugxekwa abasunguli be-March and March movement, kugxekwa i-March and March movement babizwa ngamagama and all that. Uqonda uba uyenxa F-Tech khawuziyeke ezizidebe, yabo. Then boom, ivideo kaJuju, a whole Julius Malema, someone thina bale generation esimjonga sibone leader elithemba lethu, someone esimthandayo nesimhloniphayo, with all his imperfections, with all his flaws, kodwa still besenethemba kuye. Then thethe izinto azithethayo, and you'll be like, damn, sifike kanjani apha, sifike njani? You know, kunale video lena kaJuju apho athethe into engavi ignorant, khange ngiyigqibe but ndibambe nje laphathi ndaqoma mandlule le video because yangicaphukisa, yabo. Uthi utata uJuju after silenzele xenophobia yena nagxotha abantu bokufika zavala ezi businesses zabo, then mangapha ama-job opportunities enwa-creatile, yabo. And that's very ignorant to come from i-leader yase-South Africa esazi kamhlophe isizathu ezidaba makuvalwe ezi shops, esazi kahle kamhlophe uba aba bantu aba bawuphula kanjani umthetho. It's so ignorant, yabo. So now let's address abantu abafana noJuju. Let's address bonke abantu abacinga njengoJuju kwindawo abakuzo. Aba bantu bona bathi bafundile bona lento yenziwa ngabantu be-March and March ayikho. Bonke abantu ababiza abantu be-March and March ngamaqaba, let's address them. Ukuthi ekuse kwi-March and March akustrategizwa, kuyaliwa, kubonakala endleleni bakwenziwa ntoni, but i-aim kukulwela iSouth Africa because akekho umuntu ovizikhali ose-South Africans. So abantu now bayithathele ezandleni, yabo. Now i-mission kukugxotha abantu bokufika abafaka iSouth Africa kwi-crisis, kukugxotha abantu bokufika abamosha iSouth Africa. Then after that ke kuzohlalwa phansi kuthethwe, kustrategize kuba from apho sikhona siya kanjani phambili singabantu base-South Africa, yabo. Yeah, nanzo ke mission ye-March and March. Ngoba ke wena ngutata uJulius Malema nomnye nefundile, why ningadibani nenifundile? Discuss these issues, strategize and come up with solutions. Why the only thing eniyenzayo kukuyobheka kwi-social media? Because iSouth Africa kwi-crisis idinga ukuthi mayisave. Uyaxeka into eyenziwayo, then what are you offering ngokufunda kwakho, nge-skills sakho? What are you offering for iSouth Africa? Uyisave njani iSouth Africa kule crisis? Why ningathi wekhanyeke lamaqaba thina masibe silungisa iSouth Africa kanje, masibabonise bayi-South Africa bokufanele babona bayenzela ntoni, masibabonise babona bokufanele babenza kanjani? Why? You guys are so ignorant. You people are so ignorant. We are approaching the second decade now. Sine issue nabantu bokufika. Lento outbreak ngo-2009 yalebheleza xenophobia, and of course yaveleza xenophobia. But as one big South Africans ziyazi express, ziyatsho kurhulumente ba urhulumente sine issues, do something. But urhulumente uthulile. Xa ziqala iSouth Africans ziphakama zisilwa, the only time bevula umlomo they say something that goes against South Africans. otata upresident abezi nasolution, abake bathi ma-South Africans sinivile siyasebenza towards ukuza nezisombululo kule nto. The only time bevula umlomo kuba kuthiwe i-South Africans akuzuhanjelwana nale nto eyenziwa i-South Africans bla 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 bla, akho solutions after that. Utata esimthembayo nesimthandayo esimhloniphayo utata uGeneral Mkhwanazi uya kwimedia uyothi imedia akhona ama-channel right wokudilana nezinto ezi ebekadephi. We approaching idecade yesibini sinale issue. If iminyango ikhona kutheni silapha namhlanje kanti ikhona iminyango yokudila nazo zonke ezi issues? Sanodlala ngabantu, sanoba ignorant kangaka, sano-neglect South Africans kangaka, sano-compromise South Africans kangaka. Come on. Anyways, egameni labo bonke abantu abasahlele emakhaya kodwa bayisupportayo i-March and March movement, egameni labo bonke abantu abahelela ukuthi bebeseDurban, ukuthi bebeseGoli, bebesePitori but abakakwazi ukufikelela, sicela ukudlulisa ukubonga, uthando, isupport nenhlonipho kubasunguli be-March and March nabo bonke abantu be-March and March movement abazidinile, babonakalisa ukuyithanda iSouth Africa, babonakalisa ukuba bangayifeli iSouth Africa. So siyabonga kakhulu. Imizamo yenu ngeke ihambe inganothiswanga. Yanga uThixo nezinyanya banganikhusela kuyo yonke imizamo yenu, nikhuseleke kwaye kugqibele kuba khona iziphumo ezihle ngalo msebenzi omhle kangaka enwenzele ilizwe lenu. So ke siyabonga maqhawe, sidlulisa ukubonga, sidlulisa uthando, sidlulisa inhlonipho. Umsebenzi omhle wokulisa South Africa mawuqhubeke.
A South African man has decided to thank all the South Africans that are supporting March and March, even though you are not there physically, but still supporting March and March in whatever way. He was basically thanking those South Africans to say thank you for March and March is not fighting for themselves, but they're fighting for South Africans. We have been crying for the longest time. We've been telling the government to say, please, these foreigners are actually, what can I say? Like, they are oppressing, I don't know if that's the right word to use, oppressing us, suffocating us, like a lot is happening because they come this side, they start doing their own things, they take jobs. At this point now, I feel like when they say they take jobs, they mean these jobs that pay less. Obviously, for a company, they will take the person that agrees to be paid less money than the one that is than the one that wants to be paid the minimum wage, right? And he was also calling out Julius Malema to say, what are you doing as the leader? Because remember, Julius Malema stands with these foreigners. So he was asking him, so what are you doing about this situation? Because now the unemployment rate is just out of this world and nothing is moving. For me, I feel like you cannot depend on these leaders. Like, you can't do that. You really cannot depend on these leaders, man, because obviously you have been depending on them for the longest time. But guess what? There is no change. Nothing is moving. Nothing is moving. Let's just hope that this March and March will also improve. We will see the results. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this one?